I know that this is probably corny, but it is perfect to me. I would like to be surrounded by my family in France. We're having a Thanksgiving or Christmas dinner. I get on one knee and ask her to be my wife. Simple, but it's perfect for me kasi sakse ang mga mahal namin sa buhay. Yan ang sagot ng aktor na si Donnie Pangilinan nang tinanong namin siya if what is your ideal proposal. Ang simple but sweet. Bongga!